In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Stumble Guys without lag. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, if you want to play Stumble Guys without lag, you just need to optimize your Stumble Guys. To do that, you can clear the cache of your Stumble Guys, okay? Or you can also reinstall Stumble Guys. Now to clear the cache of Stumble Guys, you need to close the app, okay? Then you need to find Stumble Guys on your phone. Okay, in my case it is on Android. If you are on iPhone, you need to find the option to clear the cache of Stumble Guys. Okay, on Android you just need to press on the app, come right here on this eye icon, and it will come on the app info. Then you just need to swipe down and click storage. If you click storage, you can clear the data and the cache of your Stumble Guys. If you clear the data, you will sign off of your account. Okay, so I recommend you to clear the data and the cache and log again into your account. If you are on computer, you just need to close all the apps that you have opened on your computer, including the apps on the background. Also on your phone, you need to close all the apps that you have opened. Okay, so close all the apps and come on Stumble Guys again. After coming to your game, you can decrease the resolution, so you can click right here that you will put your resolution at the minimum, turn off the shadows. Okay, so click to turn off right here, and on player names you can also turn off. After doing that, you will increase the FPS of your game. I hope I helped you on how to play Stumble Guys without lag. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.